Our easy parting tool cuts cleaner and holds a sharp edge for a long time. It's safer, steadier, and like all our tools, it has a replaceable carbide cutter. Replacing the carbide cutter on the easy parting tool is simple and accomplished using the supplied flex key. To insert the carbide cutter, first make sure the cutter pocket on the tool is free from any dust, debris, sap, or glue. Insert the groove end on the cutter into the pocket so the cutting edge is facing out. To remove the carbide cutter, use the supplied flex key and insert the long pin on the key into the pivot hole at the tip of the tool, and the short pin behind the cutter between the cutter and the tool pocket. Use the supplied flex key and insert the long pin into the pivot hole at the tip of the tool and the short pin across the relief edge of the cutter. Rotate the flex key clockwise, putting slight pressure towards the cutter, and flex the key about a 1/4 inch to tighten down the cutter. When you are ready to part off your project from your chuck or part off your tenon, adjust your tool rest height so that the cutting tip is centered to your spindle and about 1 inch from your project. Make sure your tool is flat on the tool rest and horizontal and parallel to the floor. Move your parting tool straight into the piece at the point you want to part off. Don't roll the tool or try to come in at an angle or corner. The tool is designed to go straight in and will clean itself out as it goes.